Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to discuss about risk management. When bank works as a financial intermediary, it faces a lot of risk like credit risk, legal risk, operational risk and market risk. Then so many interest rate risk, rate based risk are there. These are the types. So to manage these risk, bank forms a committee, that is an independent committee, and name of this committee is risk management committee. Then this company will monitor, identify, then monitor, and then it will measure the risk level. Now comes the credit risk. In credit risk, the possibility of losses associated with the diminution or decrease in the credit quality of borrowers or counterparties. This may take the form of direct lending if the principal or interest is not paid, then guarantees or letter of credit if funds may not be forthcoming on crystallization of the liability. Then comes the treasury operation if payment due from the counterparties. Securities trading business if the funds or securities settlement may not be affected. It may cause the cross-border exposure if the availability and free transfer of foreign currency fund may either cease or restriction imposed by the sovereign. Now the next type comes market risk. This market risk arises when there are adverse changes in market variables. Market variables are interest rate, then interest rate risk will occur. If forex rate changes, then forex rate risk will occur. If equity price increases or decreases, then this type risk arises. One more risk is there, that is liquidity risk. Now comes the operational risk. The most important reason of this is breakdown in internal controls and corporate governance. Such breakdown can lead to financial loss through error, fraud or failure to perform on internal level. Operational risk is a risk of loss resulting from inadequate or failed internal process. That was all about risk management. Thank you very much.